and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie for those who are new. Thank you for joining me today, and today we are going to be doing a colorful eye look. Only focused on the eyes, not focused on the face. And if you guys are interested in like a full foundation routine, just let me know. Leave a thumbs up, comment, do something letting me know like, hey girl, we want to see that routine. I'm using only 2 palettes today. It's super easy, not a lot of work. I know it looks like it's super complicated, but I promise you it is not. So if you want to see how I did this beautiful mermaid, aqua blue, take me to the beach, I don't know what I'm calling it right now type of vibe, just keep on watching. Okay guys, we are super up close and personal right now, so yes, let's take it in right now. Anyways, I already did one eye off camera, of course, just to speed up the process. So let's jump into the eye look today. So I am using 2 different palettes. These are the palettes that I pulled from my Shop My Stash. This is the Riviera palette by Anastasia, and we also have the Alyssa Edwards palette, also in collab with Anastasia. These palettes are absolutely beautiful. Stunning palettes. I absolutely love them. You know, it doesn't have to be like summer, spring to play with color. I play with color all year round. And then we also have the Alyssa Edwards palette. I pulled this one out because I am going to be using 2 shades out of here. 3 of the shadows that we are going to be using are from the Riviera palette. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer just to kind of act as primer for our lids, and I'm just blending that out with my finger. I almost forgot this step. That is highly important, especially if you want your shadows to look very vibrant and also last. You can also use eyeshadow primer, but in this case I have like phases when I use it and when I don't. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does, you know. But I'm taking concealer and I'm using the Bahama shade in the palette, and I'm apply that to my crease and just blending it back and forth on the crease. You can go back and forth or circular motions to diffuse the color, because I kind of want it a little bit blown out, but you're gonna see what I do to blow it out in a sec. So it's building a lot of color since we're using color. So you're gonna see me going back and forth into this pink shade a few times. Taking a domed fluffy brush and jumping into the Alyssa Edwards palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Texas Made, which is another vibrant pink shade, and I'm going to be applying that directly in my crease just to kind of darken that crease up a little bit. So I'm placing that right in the crease, and you see how bright and pink that is. It's like a neon pink. I absolutely love it, and I'm just placing that on the crease itself. It's a very beautiful shade. I absolutely love these palettes. They're so gorgeous. Now going back using the fluffy brush from before, and I'm going to be taking Coastline shade, which is a nice peachy shade right here. I'm taking that in the same brush, and I'm going to blend that on my crease, but like to kind of diffuse the edges. So just taking that back and forth on the crease line just to really blow it out. That our crease is looking very blown out, and just like, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of any concealer. The one that I'm using right now is the L'Oreal concealer, so I'm taking that on the back of my hand, And I'm going to be using the brush from my LA Girl Pro Concealer because I really like this brush. And I'm taking some of that concealer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out my crease. So yeah, let's hope for the best. And I know it's not ideal to like pull on your eye, you know, because of wrinkles and stuff. But in my case, for me, it really does help with, you know, helping cut out my crease. You know what I'm saying? So to each his own and in their method, I guess. But I know it's not ideal. So I'm taking a fluffy flat kind of brush just to blend out the concealer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Seychelles shade in the Riviera palette, which is a beautiful aqua-ish blue shade. It's so pretty. And I'm going to apply that on my lid. But let me quickly mention, as you can see, I'm gonna get a little closer. I'm applying that to my lid, but I'm leaving a little space in between the pink and blue shade. And you'll see why. So I'm not bringing it all the way up onto the concealer and where I carved out my crease, but just giving me a little gap in between the pink and the blue. That I have that on my lid, I'm taking a small rounded brush. As you can see, it's very, very small, but it's flat and rounded, which is perfect. So I'm taking that brush, and then I'm going to take the Inheritance shade right here, which is a beautiful gold color. And as you can see where I have that gap in between the pink and the blue shade, I'm going to apply the gold just to kind of add as a little glitter gold moment. I find that if you kind of like tilt your head back and look down, it helps. So you're gonna be seeing me doing a lot of head movement here just to help me out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the domed brush that I was using for the blue shade and take a little bit more and then just kind of clean up and just really make everything very clean and more vibrant, because sometimes you lose colors as you're building. So now that I have the gold shade on, we are going to take the domed brush that we were using for the vibrant pink, and I'm going to clean it off, of course. And I'm going to take the pink shade, and then I'm going to take the purple shade called Cans and apply that with that fluffy domed brush. And I'm going to kind of blend the outer V and that lid shade to kind of just smoke out the outer portion of my eye with the purple shade. So at first I'm just gonna place, so you're gonna be seeing me just packing on the purple shade just to place it first before I kind of blow it out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of the pink shade and kind of throw it on there on the top so I don't lose that pink, and just blend it back and forth with the purple. And then just going back with the blue shade and kind of meshing the purple and the blue together. so you kind of don't see where they meet or where they end. It's not just a sudden like stop in between colors. They kind of just blend into each other. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick little liner. I hope it doesn't come out super fat because I'm trying. I just want to have it where it kind of just hides the band of my lash line. So a quick little coat of liquid liner. Okay, I'm back to finish off my lower lashes, and then we could finish off with this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pink shade that we were using, the Bahamas shade, and I'm going to take a flat, like angled, fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this shade to my waterline. Now taking the purple shade that we were using and using the same brush, we're gonna pack on some of that purple shade and start from the outer V and work your way in. Just blending both the purple and the pink shade together. Now taking my ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Eyeliner in the shade Zulu. I'm gonna apply this to my waterline. It's a beautiful like aqua bluish color, and I think it's going to bring this look together. Okay guys, I am back and I'm done with the eye look. I absolutely love this eye look. Like, these colors look so beautiful together, and I absolutely feel like a mermaid. Like a mermaid in January. I know I've been craving for the beach, so I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look. I hope you guys recreate it, and if you do, just tag me, post it, like, I don't know, do something. Let me know, like, hey girl, look, I did it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.